If you want to delete Reddit account history like posts and comments, then here's what you're going to do. Deleting your account does not automatically delete your posts and comments, so you must delete them manually beforehand. So if you're thinking of just completely deleting all of your account, if you think that it will delete your comments and posts, then think again. This is what you're going to do instead. You're going to do manual deletion. So what you're going to do is you're going to head over to your profile right here at the profile icon at the top of your screen. So you're just going to click on that and then click on view profile. Now from here, you will be able to find a post or comment. You're just going to have to click the ellipsis menu. So from your dashboard, you'll be able to see your posts right here, which is under the overview tab. But if you want to go specifically to post or to a specific comment, you can just go to these tabs right here. Now from there, you're going to click on the post that you want to delete. So I'm going to delete this because this was removed by Reddit's filters, which will not go through anyway, but I'm going to click on this ellipsis icon right here and then click on delete. And then from there, I'm just going to confirm my deletion and then click on yes, delete. So again, you have to select, or you have to go to each of your posts and then delete them one by one, because bulk deletion does not have a native bulk delete feature. Many users rely on third-party tools like Redact or Power Delete Suite to delete or post and comments at once, but you can only use these tools at your own discretion, because sometimes they may cause some error or viruses on your device. And that's it. That is how you can delete Reddit account history like posts and comments. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.